Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to share an experience that's been a total game changer for me. I started using Seroburn, and look, I'm not the kind of person who easily trusts supplements, but this one, oh my, what a pleasant surprise. So for those who don't know, Seroburn is a natural supplement that helps with weight management. The thing is, it works by boosting serotonin, that stuff that regulates your mood, appetite, and all that. And honestly, that's what caught my attention because I'm the kind of person who eats their feelings. When I'm anxious, stressed, or upset, well, you can imagine the fridge becomes my best friend. At first, I'll admit I was skeptical. Like, does this really work? Is it just another one of those miracle promises? But seriously, after about 2 weeks of using it, I started noticing the difference. I felt more in control. That crazy urge to devour chocolate at 10 p.m. gone. Like, I'd look at food and think, okay, but I'm not really craving it. Another thing that surprised me was the energy. I used to feel so lazy, but with Seroburn, it's like my body woke up with me. I even started going for morning walks, which was unheard of for me before. And the best part? No side effects. No jitters, no insomnia, none of those annoying things you get with caffeine-based supplements. But look, not everything is perfect, okay? I'll be real with you. Seroburn works, but it's not magic, right? You can't just take it and keep eating junk and staying on the couch. I felt like it really helped me control my emotional eating, but the rest, like eating healthier and exercising, that's on us. Oh, and here's a heads up. Be careful with fake websites. When I was researching where to buy it, I saw some places selling it super cheap, and I was immediately suspicious. I dug deeper and found out there are a lot of scams out there. Those fake sites sell counterfeit products that have nothing to do with the real thing. So if you're thinking of buying, go straight to the official website, okay? I'll leave the link in the description to make it easier for you. So that's it, guys. If you're thinking of trying Seroburn, go for it, but make sure you're doing your part too, okay? It's not a miracle, but it's definitely an amazing ally for anyone looking to take care of their health and body in a natural way. I'm super happy with the results and already feel so much more confident. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer, okay? Big kiss and see you next time. Oh, and this is the official one, okay? So you don't fall for scams. Watch out for those knockoffs out there. Hey guys.